I'm looking at here just to give a quick little rundown. This right here, this right here is a bullish order block. It's the last down close run or down close candle before the run up. Price usually come back to retest that, and is it to mitigate the sales that's right here. There's people that got trapped in these sales when this started running up. So price come back down to let these people get out of those sales and basically hedge and get into some loans. So right now there's a lot of selling and buying going on right here, and it's a fair value gap right in front of the order block. So I would expect price to run up from here to potentially back up to here, um, and then back down. And I'm only saying that because these highs over here was ran, and it's a fair value gap back here. Look, tap into it precisely, real clean. I'm gonna mark that up real quick. What is that? 5 minute chart. Let's mark that up. Over. I'll explain what I'm doing in a minute. Just want to get that out the way real quick, and I will make it all make sense in a few. So back here, these highs are all-time highs. Came up here and dumped hard, grabbed all of this liquidity all the way from up under here, and then ran back up. Let's see here. Yeah, he ran back up, and then it's another little order block in the fair value gap, but came up here, consolidated a little bit, ran up a little bit to run the highs above here, and eventually making it all the way to fair value gap, which was the first one left after this big sudden drop. So of course, price gonna come back and tap into that. Now, depending on what price do in this area in the very near future, will determine whether or not price is about to come all the way back down to here or continue to make new highs again. So be interesting to see what take place. Right now, I'm looking at some downward motion. I mean, the only logic behind it is the fact that we've been for a cool little minute. Let's see. Yeah. Yeah, we've been running up for a while. We got these relative equal highs right here. We broke, and it's like it's seeking liquidity right now. And this big sudden drop, that right there is showing displacement to the downside. A lot of displacement. So broke this structure here. I will mark all this up, but it's gonna be a whole lot on the chart. Just a quick summary of why, or explanation as to why I'm looking for lower prices is because it is big. It's big. These couple of big wicks to the downside. It's a lot of displacement. That's a lot of sellers. So broke these structures over here. Price ran back up, failed to get above here, dumped down a little bit, did some mitigating, and played around the fair value gap a little bit, came back up, grabbed the liquidity above here, and then also tapped into the fair value gap, and then showed weakness again. So, and this is on the hour chart, show strong weakness. So let's see what price do in this area. Like I said, if price don't get above here and take this high out to make a new all-time high, then we have a lot of liquidity up under here. Fair value gap here. We got a lot of price action down here that we can look forward to price coming back to retest. So be an interesting week, most definitely. Most definitely. So what I'm doing here, these are just potential trades, depending on if and when price get to these points. At that time, I'll determine what to do with that move. Like I said, it's all dependent on time with me, then price action. So this is what I'm looking at. Spoke about what I'm expecting, and that's that. I'm gonna leave it alone for the rest of the day. Let the rest of the evening play out. See what happened over Asia session. See what take place during London, and then tomorrow morning, New York AM session is when I will potentially take a trade if a couple of different things align. And I'll talk about that while I'm taking a trade tomorrow. If everything line up. That's it. I'm out of here.